So guys, what about what about reports and how can we write reports? Okay, report is written for a person in authority. What does that mean? It means that we can write reports for something like, if you can see here, reports are usually written for a person in authority. How in authority? Like a teacher, manager, group leader. We can write reports to those authorities when we have a teacher, manager, group leader. They normally contain some description. How that description? How that description I mean? Like saying what the conditions in your school are like. This is a description. The report should have description and often include our suggestions or recommendations. Our suggestions and recommendations about what? About the matter that we are going to talk about in the report. Okay? Reports usually, how do reports begin? We usually begin our reports, okay, with such information in the top left hand corner. What is the top left hand corner? The top left hand corner is like in the very left of the page, in the very left side of the page, the very left top side of the page, like when you write your name. Okay, like I have to write to whom, from whom, what is the subject, what is the thing that you are going to talk about, and the date. The exact information depends on the rubric. What is a rubric? A rubric is something like an advertisement. A rubric is something like an advertisement that you are going to, that it has specific information. The rubric is the thing that is telling you, for example, write to the manager of your school, telling him about so and so and so. This is the rubric that you can have in your exam. I can get you a rubric and tell you do so and so and so. Okay? This is a rubric. Okay. What about the report and the first paragraph? It's just the same as writing a very normal essay. You should have an introduction, okay? This is the first paragraph. The first paragraph should have the introduction or the purpose. The purpose, it means why are you going to write this report? This is for the first paragraph. And for sure, it is important that we mention the reason for writing. For example, if you have a rubric that is telling you to write for your manager to tell her about something or something you're complaining about, okay? So you have to say the reason, which is that you are complaining about something. So I'm writing this report. This is in the first paragraph. I'm writing this report to complain about, for example, that a student did something to me. So you have to say the reason of writing this report in the first paragraph. Okay, and prepare the reader for the information that we will include in the main body. The second paragraph, guys, it is very normal that you are going to have the main body as if you are writing exactly an essay. But this is a report and this is it has the same form of writing an essay. Okay, you have also to prepare the person who is going to read your report for the information you are going to put in your body. In your body, you have to give him something like a general idea, something like a general idea in your introduction, in the very first introduction of your report. This is all what, this is the first paragraph. What about the main body? The main body is divided into sections. Okay? What section is the main body divided to? Okay. The main body, it starts with a heading like an introduction of every paragraph. Okay? And the very important thing with the body, guys, that we should link with linking words. What are linking words? So, guys, what are the linking words? In the body of that report, in the body of the report, guys, we should include linking words. Linking words are in page 57 of upstream. Linking words are how to connect ideas, ideas with each other. Like, for example, I like English and Arabic. So this and is a linking word, which add something. That you like this and that. Not only and, by the way, we have many kinds of linking words. We have linking words of addition to add something. We have linking words of a result to add a linking word which shows a result. We have such linking words to end our paragraph or to end our report. Like finally, at last, lastly, all of those things are also linking words, but to do what? To finalize our report or our graph. Okay? So, what are those linking words? We have to list points. To list points, like to say, firstly, secondly, in the first place, to begin with, and mainly those linking words of listing points will be in the first paragraph, will be where in the first paragraph. So we can have, guys, linking words that should be used in the first paragraph only, and others which are in the body only, some others which are in the final paragraph. Okay? So how can we add, like, we can use especially, in particular, particularly, in addition, in addition to, additionally, furthermore, all of those linking words are very important with your, not only your report, but also an essay writing, a paragraph. And by the way, it comes from reading. The more you read, the more you will have of it. Okay? This is about the body of the paragraph, the report. That should be linked, that should be with linking word. What about the conclusion we have? Report end with a final section, which is the conclusion. The conclusion, it means how you finalize your report. So, with the conclusion, you have to do three things. With the conclusion, you have to do what? Three things. Summarize the points in the main body. What you have, guys, what you have talked about, Amira, what you have talked about in the main body should be summarized. You should sum it up all in that conclusion. This is the first thing you should do in the conclusion. Make a recommendation for future action. Make a recommendation to recommend somebody. Offer a personal opinion. Guys, what does it mean? Offer a personal opinion. It means that I suggest that you should do this and this and this. You have to give a suggestion. You have to give suggest something by the end of your report. This is how the report is written.